Okay.
All right. So the audio should be synchronized, correct?
It's probably synchronized for a few seconds. It'll probably go out of sync quick.
So what we're doing is we're trying to test the synchronization of this specific recorder to the camera, obviously, because we haven't tested this by synchronizing it. So if I look delayed, that's why.
Go outside.
So let's see. Let's talk about what's going on here. Not much. You can just go to Starbucks and it's like, hey.
They could see you with the machine and like a report from the past.
Yep. Oh, I am. Shouldn't be whipping out wallets and videos, but I'm a little student for a flight thing program.
Beautiful.
I don't even know how though. It was an accident. So, all right. So we're outside on the deck, and don't fall down the stairs because that would be bad. If you look to the right, we've got a deck. If you look to the left, we've got a swinging bench. Let's go sit on the bench. Actually, it may not be a good idea to swing with this. What should we do?
Oh, let's show this.
This, I believe this is a bug zapper. And what's the voltage that it runs at?
The input is 120 volts AC. The output is probably about 2,000 volts AC for the bugs.
Okay, so
maybe DC.
We'll just say the output for this is 2,000 volts. Whether that's AC or DC, it doesn't really matter that much because it is 2,000 volts, and we're gonna lick it. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, that's a neat little device. And from what I know, it works really well. And actually, that would be fun to.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm getting in the.
Yep.
I was thinking it'd be fun to build an explosive out of it, but.
Want to do an outro?
We're not going to do that. So I will see you later, and I hope that. Never mind. Thanks for watching. It's kind of hard to do like really cool outros when you don't want to.
Yeah.
You just.
Okay. Turn the machine on.
Bye bye.